What to do if your divorce papers are rejected in Santa Clarita. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If your divorce papers were recently rejected by the Santa Clarita Court, or more accurately, by the Los Angeles County Family Court, you're not alone. This happens more often than you'd think, and the good news is we can help fix it. Most rejections come from small errors, missing attachments, incorrect forms, or issues with how the documents were filled out. Unfortunately, even a tiny mistake can cause weeks or months of delay. We frequently help clients who tried to do it themselves or used online services, only to get stuck after their judgment packet was rejected. Once they come to us, we review their entire case, identify what went wrong, and resubmit everything correctly. Just last week, a couple in Santa Clarita came to us after their judgment was rejected twice. We found that their financial disclosures were incomplete, and their agreement didn't meet court standards. We fixed everything, and their judgment was approved a few days later. At Divorce 661, we specialize in correcting rejected divorce cases and getting them back on track fast. We handle everything, from fixing the paperwork to resubmitting it to the court. If your judgment was rejected and you're not sure what to do next, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll take it from here and make sure your divorce gets finalized without any more surprises.